How to use Google Lens on iPhone. To use the Google Lens on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the Chrome application on your phone. Then, from here, you need to tap the camera icon just beside the search bar to enable the lens. Then, you have to give camera access to Google. Tap the Go to Settings button. Here, you need to toggle on the camera option. Now, Google has access to your camera. Get back to the Google homepage. Now again, tap on the camera icon over here. You will see the Google Lens on your screen. Now, tap on the media icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you get to select a picture from your gallery. Now, adjust the lens. You will see the results automatically appear at the bottom. By following these simple steps, you can easily use Google Lens on your iPhone.